There have been big changes to the Toyota Crown over the years, but it is still a pretty cool car. The starting price for the newest model, a hybrid sedan in the style of a fastback, is $39,950, which is a good price. But this has made some people scratch their heads because they remember the Crown as a sign of understated grace. The Crown badge has been on a wide range of cars, from sleek coupes to police cars and cabs. In Japan and nearby areas, the name Crown can mean a lot of different things, from simple to fancy. The Crown was a vital element of the growth of the high-end Lexus brand, which made amazing cars like the Lexus LS 400. People aren't sure if the latest Crown model's flashy identity swap is a brave step forward or a rushed break from the brand's long history. These are the Crown's golden years, the classic Crowns, which are becoming very famous in American driveways. We will have to wait and see if the 2023 Crown's bold change is an example of progress or a brave break with custom. And now, let's check first why you shouldn't buy the Toyota Crown. Form over function. Interior space was limited. While the Crown looks classy and attractive, it does come with a price. One big problem is that the rear view seems to be more limited than our diet plan for counting carbs. The Crown's sleek and flowing lines make it look beautiful, but they also make it hard to see what's behind you. It's very hard to park because it's like trying to look through a window. Also, the Crown's unique form, which includes a sloping roofline, makes it less useful, even though it adds to its charm. The hybrid battery pack makes the car's floor very high, which limits the space inside, especially the legroom. People who are tall might end up playing limbo without meaning to. And if you like taking long weekends with a lot of stuff in your car, the Crown might not be for you. The hole for the trunk is more like a letterbox slot than the huge doorway we're used to seeing in crossovers. It will be like a game of Tetris. You'll have to carefully plan how to pack. This means that a roof rack might have to carry your big camping stuff or suitcases. Even though the Crown has a beautiful design and is eco-friendly, people who value functionality may find it hard to use because it limits visibility and room. It may take some time to get used to a complicated infotainment system. It becomes clear that this well-polished defense has some holes as we learn more about the world of the 2023 Crown. The cabin feels like a royal party because of how well designed and comfortable it is, but the entertainment system is a letdown. Toyota seems to have tried to teach an old dog new tricks, but the result is a system that tries to look cutting edge but fails at the fundamental. Compared to its rivals, the Crown's entertainment system doesn't seem to have the smooth, easy-to-use interface that you'd expect from a car in this price range. There seems to be too much information on the 12.3-inch tablet, making it feel more like navigating a maze than a smooth tech experience. The design looks and works like it could be better, but it's not. It looks like it's trying to juggle, but always drops the balls. Also, the design flaws in terms of ergonomics are clear as soon as you start using the thing. It can be upsetting to go from the nicely decorated cabin to the annoyingly wonky entertainment system, which makes the whole experience feel uneven. There have been some big steps forward in technology at Toyota, but the Crown's entertainment system could use some work. Indeed, in today's world, a car's tech features can have a big effect on a possible buyer's choice. Even though the Crown has many good points, this one thing might make people think twice about buying it. The base powertrain is sluggish. Even though the 2023 Crown Hybrid has a great history and a lot of powertrain choices, it seems to have lost its roar in the change. On the other hand, the XLE and Limited versions have a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine and an electric motor that work together to make 236 horsepower. This type of car has a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, which is meant to make driving smooth and easy. A hybrid, on the other hand, is meant to be environmentally friendly and save money on gas. Even though a strong engine might give you the speed you want, it will use more gas than a hybrid. The Crown Hybrid might not be the fastest car on the market, but it is a reliable and environmentally friendly vehicle that city people looking for an efficient and environmentally friendly vehicle will find useful. But people who want to be excited might find it hard to accept the trade-off between power and speed. The 2023 Crown Blend is a great example of how you can't always get what you want. The 2023 Toyota Crown is expensive. You're not just purchasing a car when you purchase a 2023 Crown. Rather, you're making a statement which may appeal to some people. However, it's clear that the top-tier model costs $52,350, so it's not exactly a bargain. You may say that it's a bargain given the emblem, the cutting-edge style, and the appealing features, though it feels more like you're paying a premium for the luxury of being unique when compared to the competition. In the sub-$50,000 PHEV market, conventional crossovers like the Hyundai Tucson and Honda CR-V may not have the same brand cachet or eye-catching appearance, but they do provide a value proposition that is difficult to deny. They have gained popularity because of the practicality of their designs, which are firmly entrenched in their prosperous past. They are spacious and have elegant interiors, but most importantly, they are geared for the practical buyer who prefers function to form. The Crown stands out in a sea of such rational choices, like a punk rocker at a country music festival. Its audacious break from the norm and unique design are what give it its attractiveness. The feasibility of this does come into question, even though it would capture the interest of those looking for a distinctive ride. Without a doubt, the Crown is a wonderful car, but it appeals to a particular market segment that values design creativity over practicality. This may be a reasonable compromise for some people, but it may be difficult to convince others. So, the decision is yours. Will you join the conventional sea, or will you bravely ride the Crown's rebellious wave? It gets even costlier with expensive add-ons. Beware of extra costs in the options list if you're drawn in by the Crown's contemporary allure and willing to pay the base price. While the standard model comes with some great equipment, it misses a few premium features that significantly improve the Crown experience. Would you like the 340 horsepower hybrid max setup? Or how about the 11-speaker JBL audio system for excellent music on the go? Unfortunately, you'll need to upgrade to the limited trim, which costs more than $5,000 more, and the sound system itself isn't very noteworthy by category standards. Likewise, getting a fully loaded Crown is a pretty pricey adventure because some cutting-edge safety systems, like the surround view camera system, are only available on the Platinum trim. Consequently, the pricing strategy resembles that of a fine dining establishment, where the main entree is cheaply priced, but the sides and sauces quickly drive up the total. The high cost of these options may be a turn-off for consumers on a tight budget, which would lower the 2023 Crown's overall value offer. With that being said, do you think buying the Toyota Crown is still worth it? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.